Okay, so let's have a look at this question here. There were equal number of birds and dogs here. Equal number of birds and dogs. So they had 72 legs all together. So how many animals were there in total? So first of all, we know that there were equal number of birds and dogs, right? Same number. And we know that there is a total of 72 legs altogether. So how many animals were there in total? So how are you going to use grouping method to solve this question? Okay, so I'm going to show you how we can use grouping method, which is, now let's identify the grouping method first. What is it? Well, let's identify one group first. So what is one group? One group consists of birds and dogs, right? Okay, one bird, one dog, okay. And then, so let's see, we have one bird. Okay, maybe let me draw this as one group. Okay, let's see. So in one group, okay, we have bird and dogs, right? So bird, one dog. Correct? One bird, one dog. Let me draw this properly. And then we also now we are going to look at the number of legs. Okay? So I believe you should know how many legs are there for birds. As you can see from the picture, there are 2 legs, right? So now we're looking at legs, 2 legs. So in one bird, there are 2 legs. What about dog? One dog, how many legs? You can count, which is 4 legs, right? So for one dog, there will be 4 legs there. Okay, let me write this properly. 4 legs here. Okay, so this is what we call one group. All right. Then now what's next? So now that we've identified this one group here, what we're going to do next? Okay, go back to the question. The question says that they had 72 legs all together. So now we are looking at so now for this grouping here, we are looking at the number of legs. So can somebody tell me how many legs are there in one group? Very important. Which is it 2 or 4? No, it's 6. Okay, so in one group, there is a total of 6 legs here. Okay, because they say that they had 72 legs all together. All right, so that means in one group, okay, you can write this down. Let me use this. In one group, okay, you can write down 2 plus 4 is equals to 6 legs. So in one group, okay, there are 6 legs, correct? And then we know that there is a total of 72 legs, right? So what do we need to do? So we need to find out the number of groups, right? So, which is 72 divided by 6, which is 12 groups. Okay, so from here we know that, oh, there are 12 such groups here. 12 such groups over here. Okay, and then with that, is that our final answer? No, right? Because the question says they're not talking about the groupings. They're talking about how many animals were there in total. Okay, can you tell me in one group, how many animals are there? 2, right? Because it's dog and bird, right? So in one group, there are 2 animals. And then I have 12 such groups here. So which is, I just need to use 12 groups, right? 12 multiplied by 2. Because I know that in every group, there are 2 animals. So 12 multiplied by 2, which is 24. So there you have it. Okay, so this is step 1, step 2, step 3. Okay, so how many animals were there in total? There were, okay, 24 animals in total, and that's your answer. Okay, so for this, you need to find out the grouping first. Okay, it's very important. All right, okay.